That's the only time I have done something in the non-fiction format. And I was 15 years old then. And it was physically very, very tiring, very, very challenging. And I thought I'm hosting a show, which means I probably go to a studio, record my lines, look into the camera. And sometimes I visit locations where they take a couple of montages. I did not expect what was to come. And I think that show, the shoot, it kind of prepared me for a lifetime of being in the movies because it is a tough job. And I think it's been one of the toughest experiences so far. And I think it was great being associated with Discovery also. Growing up, what I knew, I grew up for a little bit in Delhi. For us, it was committed hai ki nahi hai. Committed was a thing.
True.
And a lot of small town friends of mine still use that. A small town of either my age or slightly older to me. They still use the word committed, but me being in the middle of both the generations, I'm a millennial and a Gen Z kind of on the cusp of it. So I think I'm a little more aware, and I'm also active on the internet, so I kind of get to hear a lot. But that being said, it's great, first of all, that people have this much clarity. They have so much clarity about where they are, what it's supposed to be. I was just watching Adolescence, and I mean, leaving aside the great making of it, the performances, the writing, everything aside, the way the teenagers explain you those emojis, I never thought. Now I get why my parents' generation looks so confused when we talk about certain things. Now I get it. But also it's great. It's great that people are very, very sure of where they are, what terms to use to, communicate to their partner or whatever they want to call them now. I feel like I just recently said this to someone that there are more words than there are feelings. There are
True.
so many more words, and there are no feelings to attach to them. I'm a little confused as well. Despite the fact that I grew up in Delhi for a few years, I mean, a long time, I think till my 10th grade. 15 years is when you're in 10th, right? So I never got to experience the Delhi college life. So that is something that I could not relate to. A lot of my co-actors had inputs related to their college lives, and I did not. I had inputs related to set life or probably life in a Mumbai society where I was growing up. So it was it was quite different. But when it comes to the character, I had to definitely get back in touch with my roots, my Delhi roots, the way I used to talk back at home. Obviously, when you grow up in different places or with different kinds of people, and also being an actor, you work a lot on your language. Try to learn Urdu, Hindi, English, and you want to make it sound relatable to the audiences pan India. So for that, I had to really go back to my Delhi nest, my Punjabi nest, and pick up those words like because I used to practice saying Dio, Leo. That's a very Delhi thing. I don't think North में भी कहीं और ऐसे बात करते हैं. So I
True.
had to go back to that, and then of course the things that I relate to. I think Naira being the group mom is something I can still relate to. I'm still the group mom in my real life also. I'm very, very grateful that this happened to me because doing a show that became this popular also puts you out there. आप उसके पहले कितना भी काम कर लें, अगर कोई कम लोग देख रहे हैं, बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट काम आप कर रहे हैं, तो इट डजंट सॉर्ट ऑफ पुश यू फॉरवर्ड एज एन एक्टर. बट जब एक पॉपुलर काम आप कर लेते हैं जो लोगों को पसंद भी आता है, इतना चलता भी है, so that kind of helps you market everything else that you do. People want to watch the other things that you do as well. They know you by name, they know you by face. It also helps me, someone like me, probably bag more films and more shows, more characters, a lot of people would then probably want to call me. They would want to audition me, narrate their films to me. So that kind of opens up a whole new horizon of work for you. But on social media, I think Gagan and I both have learned to live with it. It's really sweet, the kind of relationship that we have. I'm very scared of him in the sense that he feels like a big brother to me. Someone who's protective, someone I have to sometimes answer to also. आंखें भी दिखा देता है. And then on social media, people, when every time I post something, people say, अरे बग्गा कहाँ है, बग्गा नहीं देख रहा है क्या, अरे यार मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये लेकिन बग्गे की बंदी है. तो it on a deeper level, it also is not cool that I'm only unapproachable or safe because I'm somebody's bandi. I should anyway be safe. I should anyway, not be harassed despite not being बग्गे की बंदी. तो वो एक अजीब सी फीलिंग भी होती है कि अरे नहीं मेरा तो बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है यार, डोंट डू दैट. बट ये भी दिमाग में आता है कि अच्छा दिस इज हाउ पीपल स्टिल थिंक, यंग यंग मेन स्टिल थिंक कि दिस वुमन इज समबडीज प्रॉपर्टी और बिलोंग्स टू समवन, इसीलिए हम इसे हाथ में लगाएंगे. वो भी एक बात है डिस्कस करने की. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ लॉन्गर डिस्कशन, बट दिस
तो
समथिंग आई एम पुटिंग आउट देयर. आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर आई डोंट सी अ डिफरेंस बिकॉज my approach never really changes. My idea is to tell a story. My idea is to play a character, and that itself is a difficult job. I have to also cater to the director's vision. I have to make sure that I deliver it to the best of my capacity. So my most of my energy goes into thinking about that more than what medium I'm on, what business the film is doing. Of course, if the film does well, it's good for me as an actor. It's good for the producer who's put in money, but I don't see much of a difference. I feel like movies doing well is great for everybody. It's great for the economy. It's great for the business. The more movies that do well, the more films that people watch, and in the theaters. I think it's only going to boost everything else that's happening around us. Uski wajah se we are able to experiment also. We're able to, put in money into independent films and sort of tell the stories that we want to tell in a limited budget also if needed. So I think it's great that people want to watch so many things that there is absolutely no divide anymore. These days, से ज़्यादा I think ये तो होते ही आ रहा है. I feel like the situation has is starting to get better now. But we were all aware. We've heard so many senior women actors talk about the pay disparity. We've heard so many other actors who are not probably so to say A-lister, sorry to use that term, but everybody has been talking about it. ये है, ये सच्चाई है. धीरे 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 करके ही चीजें होंगी. I don't expect change overnight. The more women-led films that we have, I feel like उतना ही बेहतर situation होगी for women on set, for women in terms of the money that they get paid. Also, films like Girls Will Be Girls are being led by people like Preeti Panigrahi, Kani Kusruti, and Richa Chadda and Ali Fazal are the producers. Suchita Lati is the director. So many women making films and getting opportunities will make the situation better, and I'm very, very hopeful for that. हुआ हो भी रहा है. अब कंडीशनिंग है, धीरे धीरे टूटती है, एकदम से ओवरनाइट कुछ नहीं होता है. बट द फैक्ट दैट पायल कपाडिया गॉट अस so much recognition, the fact that Sonam Nair has been making so many films and shows. She's just made a show called Dupaiya and she led it, and I think बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात है. Shuchita Lati I've already mentioned. So I think जितने female filmmakers आ रहे हैं, I'm sorry if I'm forgetting any other names, but I feel like there's been a change. छोटी छोटी जगहों पे आप change notice करते हो. On sets where women are heard more, their opinions are respected and accepted more than they were before. तो आई थिंक ये छोटी छोटी चेंजेस से ही हम बदल रहे हैं. बीच में जब एक बूम आया था फीमेल लेड फिल्म्स का, तब बहुत सारी फिल्म्स में या शोज में ऐसा होता है कि there is a female lead because they wanted a female lead. They wanted to cater to the female audience, and nobody really researched on anything. There were only men in the writer's room. There was a man, directing that particular show. अब वो चीजें बदल रही हैं. अब सिर्फ टोकन फीमेल लीड नहीं हो रही है. अभी लोग बेहतर डायलॉग लिख रहे हैं औरतों के लिए, बेहतर सीन्स लिख रहे हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी directors, male writers who've spoken to me about oh, I'm a man, so I wrote it a certain way, but I would like your feedback, your opinion on how this character would probably take shape if you were to write it. And let's, get together and collaborate on that. So, इतनी awareness हर filmmaker, हर writer में आ रही है, audience में आ रही है. So, I feel like that's great. कि there's so much. I think there's so much that I've not explored so far. Comedy मैंने बहुत enjoy किया है, and I still want to continue doing that. Rom-com बहुत enjoy किया है, drama किया है. But now what I'm really looking forward to is a psycho thriller or a horror film. I think that would really help me experiment more as an actor. And I feel like I've got a little bit ऐसा एक कीड़ा होता है ना मुझे पता है मैं कर सकती हूँ ये तो मुझे बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है उस चीज की so I just keep putting it out in the world कि please pitch these kind of scripts to me. There are so many. There are so many that the list is just unending. But जो कुछ नाम मैं पिछले सालों से कुछ टाइम से लेते आ रही हूँ, तो वो नाम जरूर लूंगी. I think Konkona Singh Sharma is one director that I really want to work with. And there is Seema Bhargava ma'am also that I want to work with as a director. There's Vikramaditya Motwani, Vishal Bhardwaj sir. Uh, बहुत सारे नाम भूल गई मुझे लग रहा है मैं मिस ना करूं दिवाकर बैनर्जी एंड एक्टर्स में आई फील आई वुड रियली वांट टू वर्क विद गुलशन देवैया सम टाइम बहुत बार बोला है मैंने बट आई वुड रियली रियली लाइक टू वर्क विद हिम. The one thing that I really took back from both the films was the professionalism, despite them being, the producers also. Paresh sir was the producer on Oh My God, and Akshay sir was
Yeah,
the producer on Holiday, if I'm not wrong.
yeah,
I think they could call the shots, they could be late on set, they could be late for their scenes, but that never happened. That never happened. Paresh sir, I remember he used to come to shoot in the morning, and then in the night he used to go for his play. He had a show, I think almost every day. Not every day, but like a couple of days. And he had the same amount of energy, he had the same amount of strength the next day also. So I think this comes from a lot of discipline, and the discipline just does not mean that you turn up on set on time. There's a lot of other things that you do for your body to keep it healthy, because body एक actor का tool होता है, and I could see that they were both really taking care of it. Um, and and Akshay sir was also like, from whatever I heard, he was taking meetings or was doing other things on set. He also had a trainer there. He's also working out. That was very, very inspiring. And they were also having fun. It's not like uh calm, 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 calm. Masti mazak was happening in equal amounts. And I feel like that's the best way to function for an actor. So there is a film. It's not like a bingeable film. It's a very serious film. But मुझे लगता है कि सबको देखनी चाहिए. The film is called Jaggi. And ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी. I would just request people to watch it. And it's available on Mubi. उसके अलावा एक फिल्म है Cat Sticks जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. काफी टाइम पहले आई थी. I'm not sure where it's available right now. Apart from that, there is a very recent show that I mentioned earlier. It's called Adolescence. It's available on Netflix. उसकी मेकिंग के लिए ही देख सकते हैं, और बहुत सारे रीजन है देखने के लिए, बट उसकी मेकिंग के लिए लोगों को देखना चाहिए वो. एंड आई डोंट वांट to spoil it for people, so I won't tell you more about it right now. I'm not sure about when Nazariya will release. Nazariya is a film that I did with Bhavya Shah of Latent Fame, and think anytime soon announce हो जानी चाहिए. And the most recent shoot that I've just wrapped up, the film is called Khamosh Nazar Aate Hain. The director is Tejas Shukul. He's really pulled all ends. He's pulled in all of his resources to make this film. And I think like, everybody in the team has done a beautiful job. It's an independent film. Independent cinema के लिए बहुत अच्छा समय है ये. So that film should also be announced soon, I'm guessing.